Welcome back, viewers. Welcome back, viewers. Today's video has an exciting topic: the incredible effects of doing 25 push-ups a day. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, and by incorporating just 25 of them into your daily routine, you can witness some remarkable changes in your body. So, let's dive right into it. Push-ups primarily target your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core muscles. By performing them daily, you'll experience a myriad of benefits. Let's start with the most evident one. One of the most noticeable effects of doing 25 push-ups daily is increased upper body strength. Regularly engaging these muscle groups will enhance muscle definition, increase endurance, and improve functional strength. That's right. Not only will you feel more robust, but your posture will also improve. Push-ups engage your core muscles, vital in maintaining a healthy and aligned posture. Push-ups also work wonders for your cardiovascular health. Incorporating this exercise into your daily routine boosts your heart rate, increases blood circulation, and improves overall cardiovascular endurance. Regularly performing push-ups can help lower the risk of heart disease, improve lung capacity, and enhance overall cardiovascular fitness. It's a fantastic way to improve your overall health and well-being. That's not all, folks. Push-ups also promote weight management and fat loss. By incorporating 25 push-ups into your daily routine, you're engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, which leads to increased calories,